Welcome, everyone! Are you ready to learn something amazing today? Hey!
Hello, everyone! I'm your new friend, Drone E. Are you ready for a learning adventure? A drone has several important parts. Propellers that help it fly, a camera to record video. Look, the camera lens is glowing. It can fly anywhere to explore the world. Look, the hologram highlights the main body. That's where the important parts are kept. It looks really strong. See how the spinning propellers create lift. Wow, that's amazing! This camera lens helps the drone see and record everything around us. Look at the screen! We can see everything from up there. It's like we're flying too. Wow, look! The battery is giving it power.
It's flying higher now.
Whoa, did you see that light? It's highlighting the landing legs. The drone knows exactly where we are. Look at those glowing marks. Let's go explore that one. Look, the GPS found the library. Wow, let's go there next. A glowing computer chip icon appears inside the drone body, showing the drone brain that helps it think and stay balanced. Look at the lights. They light up when I wave my hand through them. This is amazing. The sensors are scanning us. Look at the lights!
They keep changing colors.
It's amazing! See how the antenna works? It sends and receives these signal waves, allowing me to connect and communicate. Wow, look at that!
It's working!
We did it! The controller uses radio signals to connect to the drone. Moving the sticks tells the drone where to fly. Wow, look how high it's going. It's like we're flying too.
Higher, higher.
North. Now we know which way to go.
Front, side, back.
Watch the drone fly up high. And now it gently floats back down to the ground.
Up and down.
Look, it's going left. Now it's going right. Watch the drone glide forward. Now it moves backward. Forward and back. Look, there's the frame and the propellers.
And the motors and camera.
Don't forget the battery, sensors, lights, and controller. We have to try FPV mode first. But look at orbit, it circles automatically. I think follow and reveal would be better. Look, the map is opening.
Wow, it's amazing!
Let's explore.
Whoa, what is happening?
It's a courtyard. Look at the size of those columns.
This is so cool.
Wow, look how high it's going.
It looks like a map from up here.
Let's follow this road. Look at all the squares down there.
And look, long roads.
I see circles too. Whoa, that spin is perfect. I understand how it works now. It works. The follow mode is active.
Let's go this way, towards the big tree.
This drone is keeping up perfectly. Look at these ruins, they're amazing. It feels like we're in a movie. Look at the carvings on this pillar. Wow, that is amazing. I wonder what this place used to be. FPV mode. Wow, look, 360 view. This drone is amazing. The FPV icon glows brightly while the drone moves forward. Kids watch a floating screen showing a fast flying. Wow, look at that!
It's amazing!
We made it through the gate! Look at that! It's incredible!
We're actually flying through the sky!
I can't believe this is real! Look how fast we're going!
There's the house. We're almost there.
This is amazing! Whoa, look how fast it's going through there!
That was incredible.
Yeah, amazing!
As we explore the wall, we can see carvings depicting the history of this magical land.
That was incredible.
Yeah, amazing! Look, it's going into the jungle! Wow, look how fast it is! This is amazing! Oh, do.
Are those real pyramids? We're in the desert now.
This is amazing! Wow, look at the pyramids! We can see everything from up here. This is amazing!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.